To make this top, I used a Katia Funny Rainbow. The recommended needle is between 4 and 5 millimeters, a 4 millimeters crochet needle, scissors and a needle. Let's go with the step by step. You have to take the size from this part of the body to the other side, from here to here. You have to make this size per two, the front part and the back part, and you have to take this size from the top part of the top to the bottom part of the top. You have to start making the wave here and make the front part and the back part together, and continue repeating the wave stitch to have the size of the top that you want. And once you have the size of the top, you have to sew it on one side and make the suspenders. To make the suspenders, you have to take this size from the front part to the back part of the top and start from one side of the suspender and make the width of the suspender, and then you only have to sew the suspenders on both sides of the top. So remember, start from the bottom part, continue repeating the stitch to the top part of the top, and then sew the side and then add the suspenders. So you repeat the same stitch all the time, and it is reversible. I'm going to show you how to make this stitch with a different thread, because it's easier to see how to make the stitches with this color. And you have to make a chain multiple of 19 stitches. Remember, you have to take the size of the top, make it the double of this size, and make this stitch that it's multiple of 19 stitches. So make the chain multiple of 19. Continue with chain 3 and make in the fourth chain from the hook, on the chain number, on the last chain of the foundation chain, you have to make 4 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 4 double crochet. It's like if you had 5 double crochet. Continue with 1 double crochet and make 8 repetitions of skip 1 stitch and make 1 double crochet. You have 1 repetition, repeat the same, skip 1 stitch and 1 double crochet. Repeat the same 8 times. Here you can see the wave, and now on the following stitch you have to make 5 double crochet together, 5 double crochet together. This is what you have to repeat on the 19 stitches. Now you have to start another repetition. Start with 5 double crochet, 5 double crochet, one double crochet on the following stitch, and repeat and you have to make 8 repetitions of skip 1 stitch and 1 double crochet. Repeat again, skip 1 stitch and 1 double crochet. Repeat, skip 1 stitch and make 1 double crochet 8 times. And we have to make again the 5 double crochet. These are the stitches that you have to repeat. Five double crochet again, 1 double crochet, repeat 8 times, skip 1 stitch and 1 double crochet, skip 1 stitch and 1 double crochet 8 times, and again 5 double crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end of the row. Once you finish the row, you have to turn, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet on each stitch, 1 single crochet on each stitch to the end of the row. Those are the 2 rows that you have to repeat. Start again the row number 1, chain 3, turn, make 4 double crochet on the first stitch, continue with 1 double crochet and repeat 8 times, skip 1 stitch and 1 double crochet, skip 1 stitch and 1 double crochet, repeat 8 times. And finish with 5 double crochet. Start again the repetition with 5 double crochet, and 1 double crochet and skip 1 stitch and 1 double crochet 8 times, repeat 8 times, skip 1 stitch and 1 double crochet. And finish the repetition with 5 double crochet. Once you are at the end, you have to chain 1, turn and make one single crochet on each stitch. One single crochet on each stitch. Those are the 2 rows that you have to repeat to have the size of the top that you need. Once you have the size of the top that you need, you have to sew the side of the top. And make the suspenders repeating the rows that I explained before. It's the same pattern for the body than the suspenders, and then you only have to sew the suspenders on the top. And you finish this project.